today's video, I'm going to show you how to ride off a ledge. So once you ride off a ledge, it's like everything's so much easier. And it's not really hard to ride off a ledge. It's like one of the first things you might want to learn, other than like an ollie. But yeah, so once you get comfortable, you can just start trying to jump off ledges. It doesn't matter really. You don't want to go this slow, because then this is what's going to happen. You can still land it like that, like that's how everyone begins doing it. Yeah, and don't be afraid to fall off these ledges because they're not like super high. But once you can go off the smaller ledges, you can start going off like really big ledges. Like I go off bigger ledges, but this is the best like landing pad we have right here. So this is what I'm going to show you right now. Also, I'll be showing you how to go off a higher ledge. That might be in another video. So all you need to do is when you get to like right up, like just near the end, like your front wheels are like maybe this far away, depending on the size of the thing. You're gonna want to just go like this. Put your front wheels up, like not even that much, just so like when you fall or jump off, or just go down like that. So you can just like. It will hit here, but you're going to be going with a speed, something like that, and it will be perfect and you can ride out. And don't like bail out. If your like feet come off like that much, don't bail out because you'll still land it. Well, you might fall, but that doesn't matter because you'll hurt yourself even more. So here's a good ledge drop that you would want to do. So yeah, that's a good ledge drop for today. Thank you for watching, and see you later.